Constructors, access, and specifiers. As you can see here is I've already make a code. Example of constructor. Constructor. A constructor in C++ is a special member function of a class that is automatically called when an object of that class is created. It typically initializes the object's data, member, or perform any necessary setup operations. Constructors have the same name as the class and do not have a return type, not even void. Constructors can be overloaded, meaning you can define multi-construction with different parameters. 2. Access specifiers. Access specifiers control the vitality or accessibility of a class member, variable, and functions from outside the class. As shown, this is example of access. Public members declared as public can be accessed from anywhere both inside and outside the class. C++ provides 3 access specifiers: public, private, and protected. Private members declared as private are only accessible within the same class. They are not accessible from outside the class, not even from the derived classes. Protected member declared as protected are accessible from the class itself and not its derived classes, but not from the outside of the class. 3. Specifiers. Specifiers are used to modify the behavior of classes, members, and inheritance. Some commonly used specifiers in C++ are virtual, static, mutable, volatile, inline, etc. Example. These specifiers provide information about how class, functions, and/or variables should behave or be treated by compiler.